I'm going to show you how to remove the standard Milwaukee Packout rails. That's any box that has essentially a lid or anything other than the drawer. These are super easy to remove. There's just one Phillips head screw in there that you need to loosen. And they literally drop right down and out. Once these are out, you can add any accessories you need just by slipping them over the rail. Putting them back in place can be a little trickier. There's some slots you have to line up and just wiggle it back and forth. Force it up. Tighten the screw. You're good to go.